Hi everyone and welcome. We'll get started in just a minute. Okay, hi everyone. Welcome. Thank you for taking time out of your day to join our webinar. Today's session is going to be on Portals Pro Employee Portal for NetSuite. Portals Pro Employee Portal is going to help you streamline end-to-end employee management in NetSuite. And we are going to jump into that in just a second with a demo and some more details on exactly what this is about. If you're new here, we do these webinars every month. And should you like to go and catch up on any of our past sessions, please do head on over to our website and to our webinars archive page where you can see everything that we have done in the past. A little bit about our company. We were founded in 2007 as a NetSuite and Salesforce consulting firm and have since evolved to provide support to NetSuite clients worldwide. We specialize in developing products for the NetSuite platform, and you can find 8 of our Suite apps on suiteapp.com if you use the search term Twarna, and you can see them in front of you right now. Okay, on to our panel for today. Our speaker is Shravanti Talapalli. She started in Twarna with Twarna in July 2020, and she has over 12 years of experience in program management, technical leadership, solution architecture, and development. She leads the team on product discovery, planning, and development, product demos, implementations, and post-implementation support. Hey, Shravanti.
Hi, everyone.
All right, let's get started. Before we explore today's subject, Shravanti, could you provide some insights into the underlying platform of the employee portal, namely Portals Pro?
Yep. So, Employee Portal is built on Tvarna's Portals Pro platform. With Portals Pro, we are committed to enhancing your NetSuite experience with user-friendly and efficient solutions for your business. Portals Pro is a built for NetSuite platform offering a secure, web-based self-service solution for vendors, customers, and employees. Within the vendor portal, vendors get streamlined access to their transactions, enabling them to submit invoices and communicate seamlessly with the business. Our platform prioritizes efficiency in vendor and contractor onboarding while ensuring compliance with necessary regulations. Portals Pro integrates cutting edge AI powered OCR technology, eliminating the need for manual entry of vendor invoice details into NetSuite by your AP team. For customers, Portals Pro proves to be an invaluable tool for transaction visibility and the time saving convenience of e payments. Meanwhile, with Employee Portal in place, HR teams find it a valuable tool for fostering communication and sustaining employee engagement. A standout feature of Portals Pro is its ability to grant access to these entities, meaning vendors, customers, and employees, without the need for an additional NetSuite license, resulting in substantial cost savings. We prioritize security with multi-factor authentication as an integral part of our platform. While today's webinar focuses on the features and recent updates made to our employee portal, we encourage you to reach out to us if you need more information on our vendor and customer portals.
A little point to note, if you do want to watch webinars on our vendor and customer portal, you can, like I said, check our archive page because we did it just a few months ago. It was very recent, so you can catch up on those sessions. All right, Shravanti, why is the employee portal important?
So it serves as a centralized platform for employees to access information, submit requests, and engage in company wide communications. It streamlines processes, enhances communication, and fosters a more efficient and engaged workforce.
What are the highlights of the employee portal?
Right. So the Tvarna employee portal provides, as I said, a secure web based self service platform. It streamlines employee onboarding. It has self service options that include employee profile, company updates. Employees will be able to look at the employee directory, look at their leave balance, apply leaves, etc. We'll dig deeper into these features when we go into the demo part. Employee supervisors, on the other hand, can approve leaves, track and approve time entries by their team, and also view some insightful reports. They'll be able to approve transactions like expenses, bills, and POs through the portal without them having to use a NetSuite license to log into NetSuite and do the same thing.
Right, got it. A few important questions, Shravanti, that we should touch on. The first being what security measures are in place to safeguard sensitive data within the portal.
Right. So, data security is, of course, our top priority. This is one of the main reasons why the portal is built on top of NetSuite. Record level data storage, that basic information about any record, is stored on NetSuite storage system, while the documents associated with those records are stored on Amazon's AWS through our document management solution called Skydoc. Skydoc comes as a part of employee portal. Although Skydoc offers a wide range of benefits, using it is optional. We can configure the portal to store documents on NetSuite as well. Data is not stored in any other external storage system. So this ensures data protection and even access to real-time data because there is no data syncing required with other systems here.
Got it. Is integration with other business tools possible within the employee portal?
Yes, absolutely. Whether it is syncing with other HR systems, project management tools, or other communication platforms, the possibility of seamless integration enhances overall operational efficiency. So it can be possible through our employee portal.
Okay. And is it supported on mobile devices?
Yes, so since mobile accessibility is a very important piece in today's dynamic work environment, our portal is mobile friendly and ensures that employees can access important information, submit requests, and stay connected on the go, promoting flexibility and responsiveness of the employees.
Okay. And how do employees access the portal?
We have the capability to seamlessly integrate Portals Pro into your current website, like let's say runner.com/employee portal. So employees could directly go to that URL and access the portal. And additionally, we can customize its UI to align with your website or business branding. Upon successful creation and saving of employees' record in NetSuite with basic information, he or she will receive an email notification containing the link to the portal and a set of temporary credentials that could be changed upon first login. Multi-factor authentication, as I said, can be set up on first login.
Got it, Shravanti. Should we give our audience a demo?
Sure.
Okay. While you get that set up in NetSuite, I'm going to post a poll for our audience. And you should see that popping up on your screen right now. It should take no more than 5, 6 seconds to answer. Whenever you're ready, Shravanti.
Okay. Can you see my screen, Tina?
I can see your screen.
Okay, perfect. So we will go through employee onboarding. I'll show you how easy it is to complete onboarding on NetSuite side and even for your employees to go through the same process. So I would start with creating an employee record. So I would fill in just the basic information, maybe title, all the mandatory fields on the record are to be filled. That's it. And then this is the place where we would give employees access to the employee portal. And we would check this box, which would send out notifications to the employee, giving them the URL and password credentials, as I said. Right. And then a temporary password will be set up that again the employee needs to change on their first login. So this is it. If you have any other mandatory records that you have, mandatory fields that you have to add, those will have to be set up as well. But it's just as simple as this. I would just have to save this record. And you can see here that email would go in to that particular employee, giving the login credentials and the link to the employee portal. So now this employee would just have to go back to the portal. Let me log out and show you how the UI looks like. So this is the current UI of the employee portal. But as I said, we could customize this to be in line with your company's branding as well. But let me just log in as this particular employee here. That will have to go through onboarding. They just log in. And they will be presented with a set of questionnaires. So all these questions can be configured in NetSuite. This is a one-time configuration, and all the employees will be assigned this onboarding questionnaire whenever a new record for them is created. And the employee has to come in to the portal and fill out all the information. All the questions here are customizable. So I've already pre-filled this form, so as to just save time. And all the supporting documents that the employee has to submit will have to be done through the upload documents section. So this is just a drag and drop feature on our SkyDoc app. It is integrated with our employee portal. So let's say some ID proofs, a driving license, or any other previous employment proofs or anything have to be sent out along with the onboarding response. The employees could come in here and just drop the related files. And that's it. So they would have to go back to the employee onboarding tab and hit submit at the end of the form. There's also an option to reset or just save for submission later in case the form cannot be filled out in one go. So once the onboarding request is submitted, the supervisor and everybody who is set in the approval chain to approve the onboarding request get notifications. Right now, the system is set up to only be approved by the supervisor. So the supervisor receives a notification, they'd be able to go to the onboarding details that have been filled out by the employee through the link that they would receive in an email. And that's it. So they will have to just look at the information that has been submitted. And so some basic information has been provided here, so they could review this. And as I said, the documents that they would be uploading would show up under the SkyDoc tab here. So anyone who is approving this record, in this case, the supervisor, would just have to look at all the information that has been submitted and just change the submission status to approved. This means this employee, Joe, has been successfully onboarded into the system. So let me show you how the UI looks like for an onboarded employee. So once they are in, this is the landing page. So you would see a scrolling message about welcome and to that particular employee. Then the section here shows the badges that are earned by the employee. This is configurable as well. This talks about, let's say this is appreciation badge, the number of appreciations this employee may have received. And this one is billable. If they have achieved certain number of billable hours, they get, let's say, a badge. Then that gets updated here. Then anniversary or any other certifications could also be set up. The homepage also talks about any important events that the company has broadcasted to all the employees. So this is a message that has been sent. So employees get to see that. This is, let's say if this employee is a supervisor, in this case, the employee is able to see all the leave requests that they have put in and the status against them. And there is quick access shortcuts here as well. As I said, employees would be able to look at their profile information, just the basic details. They'll be able to look at the holiday list of the parent company and also even all the subsidiaries. They'd be able to look at the employee directory in case they have to find someone within the company and find their contact information. It's just easy to come in here and look up by the name of the employee. You'll be able to see their designation, the department they belong to, and the email ID, and even phone number if it's available. And the next option here for the employees is to apply leaves. So this screen here shows the total number of leaves available, and they will just have to choose a date from and to date. Then a category of leave. Enter your reason and just hit apply. Then the leave application gets submitted and the supervisor gets notified that a leave request has been submitted. They would be able to navigate to the request in NetSuite as well, or they could log into their own portal to be able to see the leaves that are pending their approval. They'll be able to see that under approved leads section. Currently, there is no data available, but they'll be able to look at this and just go ahead, approve the leads. Already submitted leaves along with their status can be looked at under the My Leaves section. And upload documents, again, this section can be used in case the company has any information to share with this employee, let's say some tax information which has to be only shared securely with this employee, they could just share through the upload documents section. There's help desk as well and approve transactions. So let me just go back to the home page and talk a little bit about project management piece, and then I'll get into approved transactions. So we also have the project management module integrated into our employee portal, where the supervisors would be able to look at certain important information around the projects that the employees or their team members have been working on, and they'll also be able to see some quick information on the dashboards as well. Here is the tabs that they would go to set up different clients and projects and assign tasks to individual team members. You could just create and assign the tasks. And you could also look at the tasks that have already been assigned to your team and the estimated effort versus actual effort as well. And employees or even supervisors will be able to go into the timesheet section and enter time. And if it were a supervisor, they would go into the approved timesheets to be able to approve the timesheets entered by their team members. Reports, as I said, provides some information on reports in terms of total utilization of team members, etc. You could see the same here as well. Right. So let me just log out and log into a different account to talk to you about the transaction approvals. 1 second. So as I previously mentioned, the supervisors don't have to go into NetSuite to approve transactions such as bills or POs or expenses submitted. Instead of doing that, they could just log into employee portal and look at all the transactions that are pending approval, and just hit one of them, look at the details, let's say, of this PO, and if they're okay with the details on this PO, they could just select and hit approve. So this way, all these approvals are handled outside of NetSuite through the portal, but still the data still resides on NetSuite, and all of this can be done with saving the license cost on NetSuite. So apart from this, we also have integrated our payroll management into employee portal. We will look into the details of that in our next webinar. So please stay tuned.
Okay, thanks for that demo, Shravanti. Now you mentioned that we could see the actual docs sent out along with questionnaire responses under the SkyDoc tab. Can you tell our audience a bit more about SkyDoc?
Sure. So you might be concerned that storing response documents in NetSuite could lead to increased storage needs, potentially resulting in additional costs. However, we've got you covered with a solution. We have seamlessly integrated one of our suite apps, SkyDoc, into PortalsPro. SkyDoc is one of our standout products, purpose-built again for NetSuite. The key difference is that it stores its data on Amazon's AWS. This comes with all the advantages that Amazon provides. It is secure, scalable, robust, highly available, and more cost-effective compared to NetSuite's file cabinet. Unlike the file cabinet, with SkyDoc, you only pay for the storage you actually use. As demonstrated earlier, SkyDoc seamlessly integrates with NetSuite. You can access all your SkyDoc files from within NetSuite and even from outside NetSuite via a unique URL. You could go on to our previous SkyDoc webinars or reach out to us to know more details on how exactly this is done. SkyDoc supports all standard document types, allowing you to store the same documents you typically store in your NetSuite file cabinet. Moreover, it is a comprehensive document management system with a lot of other valuable features as well. In fact, some of our clients have transitioned to a paperless workflow thanks to SkyDoc. If you're interested in learning more about SkyDoc or seeing it in action, please don't hesitate to reach out to us for more information or to schedule a demo. We'll provide our contact details towards the end of the webinar.
Shravanti, how frequently are our apps updated?
Our updates, as in releases, schedule aligns with NetSuite's upgrade cycle, which occurs twice a year. We roll out new features in accordance with NetSuite's updates as well. This means that you can leverage NetSuite's release preview account to test the app's new features, particularly so if you're not already, if you don't already have a sandbox account. In most cases, you will have the flexibility to opt in or out of the upgrade, except when it's essential and must be applied to your NetSuite account. Additionally, we also perform ad hoc upgrades for urgent fixes.
Okay. Now, organizations have unique needs. How flexible is the employee portal to fit like different business needs?
Right. So we have covered some of it earlier in the webinar as well. Customization is crucial as it allows organizations to tailor the portal to their unique needs. From branding to specific modules like time tracking or benefits management, customization ensures the portal aligns seamlessly with organizational workflows. So the entire PortalsPro platform is extremely customizable. We just need to understand the organization's requirement and evaluate the feasibility. Once we confirm the same, we will be able to customize PortalsPro or employee portal to align with the organization's needs.
Got it. And what is the process for implementing PortalsPro?
So it follows the standard process. We would start off with a kickoff or a discovery call where we try to understand your requirements in depth and also check if any customization is needed. And then we go ahead, do the installation of the app on one of your sandbox accounts. And we would do the same thing in your production account as well once the app goes through the UAT approval. We also do train the trainer, user training to a certain extent. We offer limited support for QA and UAT within your organization. Data migration is not included by default, but can also be done. Post implementation support includes general PortalsPro application assistance.
Okay, thanks so much, Ravanti. Audience, if you have any questions, now is the time to post them before we wrap up the session. We have a team member on standby to answer any queries. And I thank you for taking time out of your day to join our session. If you need to contact us or reach out to Shravanti for any questions, please use the information on the screen in front of you. And until then, I hope to see you in a future session. Bye bye.